Why is my debit card declined on PayPal? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you why your debit card might be declined on PayPal and how to fix it. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to check is whether you have sufficient funds in your account. Over here, make sure you have enough money to cover the transaction you are trying to complete. If you don't, this could be the reason your card is being declined. After that, check if the card information you've entered on PayPal is correct. Then go to the Add Card or Bank section in your PayPal account. Over here, link your debit or credit card and ensure the details like card type, expiration date, and security code are accurate before clicking on Link Card. Then, another reason could be your bank declining the transaction. In this case, contact your bank directly to find out why the payment wasn't approved. They will guide you on resolving the issue and ensuring the transaction goes through. So that's why your debit card might be declined on PayPal and how you can fix it. That's all for this video.